Welcome to this video. My name is Brandon, and I'll be adding my commentary to this video. Starting the video, we are just driving toward the beach here. And to access the beach, to our right hand side is Park Road in Fanny Bay, BC. And at the end of the road is a Ship Point Park. Ship Point is well known for sea shellfish harvesting, and upcoming is Ship Point Park, and it's a gravel road that goes down toward the beach there. So it's a short little road. And to our right hand side is a outhouse. So if you need to go to the washroom, there is a outhouse on site. And here is the small parking lot here. And there is a garbage bin right in front of us. And just beyond those bushes is where the beach property is. So this is a bird eye view of the property, starting from the north end of the property. So we're just going to back the drone up, and on our property there is two sections where we harvest the shellfish. So in this video I marked out the boundary and highlighted where we harvest shellfish. Um, so here's the north boundary. And right along the north boundary is the north harvest area. And we harvest Manila clams and Pacific oysters. You can also see on the left side a bunch of squares along the shoreline. We don't harvest in that section. It's just used as a buffer from the waves from getting at the harvest area. And this is the middle of our property here, and then our self-harvest area is located here. And then just to the south of that area will be where our boundary line with our southern neighbors will meet right there. And just to the north there is where we came from, the parking lot. So we're just going to head back up north here again. So the self-harvest area. There's about 6 plots in the south and 6 in the north, so 12 in total. And they measure 25 feet across and 75 feet long. And here is the north harvest area located along that north boundary marker there. And here is a closer view here of the property. So we're just going to skirt along the upland area. We have really good relationships with our upland landowners. We haven't heard any complaints from them about us or the previous owners. And we have great relationships with the upland owners. And we leave the upland area alone, undisturbed, and that's where we came from to our right hand side. And then here is the south boundary again. And in the far right side is a truck owned by Mac Oyster, where they have an employee during low tide just to check on their property and their shellfish to make sure no one's stealing. and they also help keep an eye on our property as well. So this is just heading north on our property again along the shoreline. And along the shoreline, we don't harvest our shellfish. And there is the north boundary. And here is a zoom up, so close up of the upland area. And we leave it natural and disturbed from what it was. And to our knowledge, the previous owner did the same. And we have great relationships again with our upland owners. So this is around the middle point of the property, in between the north and the south harvest section. Uh, it is undeveloped for harvesting at the moment. And then this is the shoreline coming up around the middle area of our property here. And a view of looking north or north section of our property. And we happen to have a group, a family from Vancouver uh, that happened to be visiting while we were shooting our drone shot. So that's the group there to the left there. And we do get quite a bit of visitors because of how easy it is to access our property, being off Ship Point Park there. And then there is our South Porter again with Mac Oyster. Yeah, all right. And I hope that video helps explain how the property looks. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye.